What's going on? It's your boy Montego Ramon back with another video on you suckers, man. Nah, I'm just playing, man. We back here with the Rise X channel where we rise to the occasion, bro. We are in some trades, still holding up this trade right here on gold. I'm not in a trade, but I was holding that order. And then I'm in this trade. Actually, let's switch this over right here to YM. Or I'm actually in a trade. So I'm in sales on YM. I'm in the sale on YM, and then I'm in a sell on gold. NQ. Now I don't really like this sell on YM. I'm just riding the wave. Kind of got a slight pullback, not really. And then I was just taking it into this fair value gap below here, where you can see I have my TP waiting to close the order and take profit. Excuse me. We're in buys on NQ. Not the best entry. Nonetheless, it is an entry. But it's like none of them are really just the greatest entry. Like the best entry would have been at the bottom down here, right? Probably in this move right here. Just the 4 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, the best move would have been right here. All the rest of these, this is okay. Might have been okay entry. This might have been a really okay entry. And then this one right here, I think it's a decent entry because it came back to this area of support basically on this side, and that's where we took our entry from. I just had placed a limit order to take that entry and basically take it back to I wanted to take a 1 to 4, right? So that's why we're taking profit at really was just 4,200 ticks versus risking 1,300 ticks basically. So that's what was going on with that. And we're just today we I really just got in on these pullbacks. I think that last night, we won a trade last night. We won this sale for 4,200 on YM. Can we click into there? So we won that sale. Open chart. So we won. Where's YM? So we won this sale, bro. All right, hold on. Let me just do that from over here. So we won this sale. I'll show you the sale we took. We basically got in on this entry right here. Took this sale down to here like this. So we took a short somewhere up in here, like here. Something like that. Stops above there. We took that right down into like maybe this level. Might take it down to this level. Let me see. All right, let's see. I'll just turn on the, bro, where's my settings joint at, bro? Where's the settings? I'm not seeing the settings popping up. Oh, maybe because I got this on. Nah, it's still not popping up. Let's see if I do it like this. And then, so what I'm trying to do is turn on my execution labels right now, but I'm not seeing the sign for the settings to pop up. Sometimes you gotta close these out and then come back in them. We were on YM, right? Bro, that settings thing is not popping up right now. All right, well, look, I'll tell you what we'll do. We're going to balance history. We can see where I entered the chart. So it said basically at close short position for symbol YM at price 54,180. We entered at position average price was 54,600. So we entered at 54,600, which is we entered at 46,600. which is up here. So we entered up here. Basically, y'all see where the 600 is. I'll bring this down to 600. All right, cool. So we entered around here because I seen this fair value gap right here, and it was starting to give me some just signals of us potentially want to come down. We started to create this structure movement right here. So we had rejected this level. We made a lower high here, made a lower low, pull back to make a lower high, and then to continue down here like we did. I'm trying to take a continuation down to here because it continued on, and I thought maybe at least we hit one of these fair value gaps. So I tried to just kind of took an extra entry just to test out that move. It's not the best because we could potentially pull back into here and turn around, or just turn around where we're at type. But this area is pretty much clear, and we have this area left to really like take out, or to mitigate. So I was like, let's try that. You know what I mean? I'll take that risk. So right now I can't get the positions up, so I don't really like that. Bro, we should be able to. Maybe I have to right click it. See that? Nope. I can't believe that we are not really getting that maximize paint window. Nah. Bro, I can't believe I can't get that to pop up because I want y'all to see the extra entry. But we just read it, and they say we took it down to 180. So we took it down to 180. 180 was here. So it was a fair value gap right here, literally. And I actually could take it lower, as you can see. So literally got out at this fair value gap here. Let's maximize the screen right here. So literally took that trade from there to there. That's a nice trade. When I'm not sure what we risked on that. I'm sure we had our stops above here. So we basically got like a 1 to 3 on this trade. That was a nice trade, dub. And then, like I said, we're holding this trade, expecting it to basically come down to hit one of these fair value gaps before we start to get a shift of structure and turn around. And then we're in Q. And in Q, I'm looking for buys. I'm in a buy right now. I have my stops down here. We came down to fill this fair value gap here. Let me get this out the way. We came down to fill this fair value gap here. So you can see the trade right here. I got the whole thing laid out. So look, I actually could probably take this higher. I'm probably aiming at a fair value gap right here. But this is our next level, one of our next levels of resistance. This is a major level of resistance. This is another one, right? So I just raised my take profit even higher. And we're just gonna see how these play out. I'm gonna continue to monitor these, and it's as simple as that, guys. Like I said, it was talking to my girl the other day, and I was just showing her like, hey, look, it's really just all about understanding the structure. Once you can read a chart, you can do anything. You can find opportunities. It's easy to really understand the game. And all it is about buying low, selling high, or selling from a high and buying low, right? So that's it, you know what I mean? And that's pretty much all I got for y'all right now. Trade update on that. I'll keep y'all updated on that. Let's see what's going on news-wise. I can't wait to start throwing earnings in here soon. We got a trip to South Padre this weekend, so I'm gonna get a few clips of that to throw in my video as we're traveling and stuff like that. So that'll be cool. All right, let's check out Forex Factory. And I'll go ahead and get that card mount here soon. And I gotta get my car detailed because I spilled pineapple juice in the floor of my damn car. Let me see. Take the yellows out. Apply the filter. USD. Apply filter. Bam. Okay, we got hella news. Today is Thursday. Unemployment came out pretty much the same. We got some crazy news tomorrow. May take some trades on the road. Nothing much going on. I really do need to start trading consistently from Topstep. I really do. Just so I can get in the habit of using it as my platform, man, because I'm slacking on that. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. So yeah, man, that's all I pretty much got for y'all today, man. Is there anything else I need to talk about? That's it, bro. Like I said, we're about to take this trip to South Padre down to the islands, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that, man. And I'll probably drop a video. Let y'all know how that goes. That's all I got, man. Hopefully I had an amazing trading week. This is really like, we missed, well, the trades, as you can see, like 1 or 2 solid moves a week is all you need. You can get that on multiple pairs too. If we go back and see, like, if we just look over this week, where was the moves at? The moves were, we go from Monday, this was Monday, this was Monday, this is Sunday. Sunday open. Monday was the buy, was a nice buy as we filled the gap at 9 a.m. You could have rolled that. That's the move you needed for the week. For real, you'd have been done. Wednesday, we had a sale. You could have sold off, and then you could have been hopping in this buy right here. For the most part, that's on NQ. If you go to ES, it's probably gonna be about the same with ES. Monday, when we didn't even fill the gap, that was the time to buy though, and then probably play stops under there. Really, Friday, time to buy, you know. So there's gonna be some nice leap option trades. What else? YM was the time to buy for this week. Same thing on this field right here, probably Tuesday. Monday was the time to get in. Tuesday was good to get in. And if you could have got in last week, Friday was a good time to get in. Even this day was a good time to get in. We had multiple bounces around here. That was a good time to get in. Thursday night, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Thursday, not Friday. Friday was a good time to get in. Those are all good times to get in. Next best moves was like Monday, and then right here, Monday again, and then right here again, Tuesday was the best times to get in. Roll those to those highs, and then we're pulling back now, so new entries are coming up soon. And then what's on gold? Gold was the same thing. So if you come back, we had multiple touches around this area. As soon as we hit this gap right here, guys, y'all should have been in that thing. Friday, and then the next one was Monday. Then you had 2 entries pop up Monday again, and Tuesday again. And then you had a couple entries that popped up on Tuesday and Tuesday night. And then we just shot up from there. This might have been a cool entry right here on a, what day is this? Wednesday. And that was it, man. Now we gotta turn around, probably pull back into this area. I wanna be watching for this. We hit this and rejected, so I wanna see anything pulling back into there, here and here. Okay, cool. So I got my next entries for gold. And then that's all, guys. That's all I got for y'all for the trade update. And then I'll probably drop another video tomorrow. And then I'm gonna be shooting stuff over the weekend and stuff like that. So, hey man, happy trading, man. Continue to just, hey, track the price, bruh. Make sure you clear on structure, watching that higher time frame. Pretty much the 4 hour, the daily maybe. Really the 4 hour and the 1 hour is all you need. You can go down to 30 and 15 if you really need just maybe a little more clarity on entries and understand this structure a little bit, but it all needs to align with those higher time frames, especially that 1 hour and that 4 hour. That's pretty much all you need, you know what I mean? So like I said, this your boy Montego Ramon. We here with the Risers X channel, where we rise to the occasion. Peace.